You park your car and walk away, but that thought creeps in. Is it really safe? Or what if someone scratches it, bumps it, or worse? That's exactly why parking mode, dash cams, have become essential. And the good news is, you don't have to spend a fortune to protect your vehicle. These cameras don't just record while you're driving. They monitor your car 24/7 and capture crucial evidence when incidents occur. So today, we're looking at the 5 affordable dash cams with parking mode. Updated prices and purchase links are in the description. Hit subscribe if you haven't already, and let's begin. When it comes to budget dash cams, most people expect cut corners, weak build, average video, limited features. But the Torvo TD3 feels different right away. It records in 4K on the front, while the rear camera gives you high-definition 1080p coverage, giving clear coverage from both angles. And its parking mode is surprisingly smart, quietly capturing clips when it detects motion. It even has a 3.2-inch IPS LCD on the back that gives a live preview of what the front camera sees. What makes this cam stand out is the supercapacitor design instead of the typical lithium battery. So it handles heat much better, and if you're parked in direct sun or live somewhere hot, it'll keep running reliably. Plus, the TD3 can monitor your car 24/7, and if you grab the Torvo hardwire kit for around $15, you unlock the full parking mode potential, all while keeping the total cost at just about $120, which still keeps it very budget-friendly overall. Setup is easy, and it even comes with a 64 gigs memory card right in the box. So, no extra purchase needed. Built-in GPS stamps your location, and Wi-Fi lets you instantly pull up incidents on the app. Night vision? Clear enough to read license plates under parking lot lights. Now, other dash cams on this list come loaded with fancy extras, but you usually end up paying a premium for them. But here, the Torvo gives you that same peace of mind you'd expect from a high-end model without the painful price tag. Now, if you care less about 4K resolution and more about dependable parking surveillance, the Thinkware F70 Pro is a compact little unit that gets the job done. It keeps things simple with full HD 1080p recording and a 140-degree field of view, all while staying discreet on your windshield. Parking mode is flexible, offering 3 different styles. Smart mode that reduces power when temps get high, energy-saving mode that only wakes up on impact, and time-lapse mode for continuous coverage. Like the Torvo, it uses a supercapacitor for heat resistance. Clips are about 20 seconds long, with 10 seconds before and after, and they're saved in protected folders so you don't lose them. Wi-Fi setup is simple enough through the Thinkware app, though some users say the first connection can be a bit difficult. Night vision kicks in during parking mode too, so you still get readable plates in low-light situations. If you care more about dependability and thermal protection than ultra-sharp video, the F70 Pro is a strong choice, especially if you want something small and discreet. Moving up, the Viofo A119 V3 is all about squeezing the most performance out of an affordable dashcam. Thanks to its Sony Starvis sensor, it records in crisp 2K resolution at 60 frames per second, which makes license plates and small details much easier to catch compared to standard 1080p models. Now, parking mode has 3 different options. Buffered detection, which captures 15 seconds before and 30 seconds after an event, time-lapse recording with adjustable frame rates, or low bitrate continuous recording. So you can pick whatever style suits your parking situation best. The Starvis sensor is especially good during those tricky lighting times like early morning or dusk, when accidents tend to happen. It also has GPS built in, and like the others, it uses a supercapacitor to handle temperature extremes. The only real trade-off? No Wi-Fi connectivity, so you'll need to pull the card or use the screen instead of reviewing instantly on your phone. Still, at around $114 on discount, this cam delivers solid surveillance with clean, dependable image quality. If you're looking for sharper resolution but still want to start simple, the Thinkware Q200 front is a strong pick. Out of the box, it's just a front-facing 2K QHD cam with a 125-degree wide view that avoids the distortion you sometimes see on ultra-wide lenses. Its parking surveillance gives you 3 operation types: smart mode that manages power during high temps, energy-saving mode for longer battery life, and time-lapse recording to keep a steady eye on your vehicle. Video quality at 2K means license plates are clearer than on a full HD model, so that's an advantage for parking incidents. Plus, the built-in Wi-Fi makes it easy to review incidents through Thinkware's app. And if you want even more, you can pick up the optional GPS antenna, which will cost extra. Well, while starting as an affordable front unit only, the system supports up to 5 channels, including rear cameras, an inside cabin camera, and even extra external ones, up to 5 channels in total. But if you're someone who just wants front protection with sharper detail than 1080p, this is a strong start. For drivers who like things straightforward, the Kingslim D4 brings ease of use to the front. It's a dual camera system with 4K up front and 1080p in the rear. But the real highlight is the 3-inch touchscreen, which makes setup and clip review simple without needing to rely on an app. Now, its parking mode kicks in automatically when the car turns off, using both motion detection and a G sensor for impacts. You can even adjust the sensitivity depending on where you're parked. Handy if you're often in crowded lots. The Sony sensor, f1.8 aperture, and WDR tech help at night, and with 170-degree front and 150-degree rear viewing angles. It does come with built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, plus support for up to a 256GB memory card, though that's not included. Some users say night vision needs a bit of ambient light to really shine, but overall, it gives solid coverage both day and night. The combination of dual-channel recording, touch controls, and reliable parking detection makes the D4 a great pick. So, that wraps up our video on the 5 budget dash cams with parking mode protection. Let us know your favorite pick in the comments section, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, comment, and share.